What's up everyone, in the next 2 minutes I'm gonna show you how to configure WebDav synchronization with Nextcloud in 2FAS Pass. Starting at the Nextcloud dashboard, click on Files and then File Settings. Here you can see your WebDav URL. It will be used to access your WebDav files. Copy this link and let's open up 2FAS Pass. From the main screen you wanna go to Settings, Sync and WebDav. Here paste or retype the URL I showed you before and type your Nextcloud credentials. Make sure they are all correct and click Connect. Let's go back to Nextcloud and click Resend. You should see these two files with .2FAS Pass extension. These are your backup files. Congrats, you have successfully enabled WebDav synchronization, so now it's time to test it. I'm using a different phone and I've just installed 2FAS Pass. Now instead of setting up a new vault, let's click Recover Synchronize. This gives us an option to import an existing list of credentials. Choose WebDav, type in server URL and credentials. Click Continue and choose the vault you want to import. When 2FAS Pass stores your credentials on WebDav, they are encrypted. You need to decrypt them by choosing one of these three options. I have the decryption kit file, so I'm gonna use the first one. If you ever feel lost, you don't know how vaults work or what's the decryption kit, don't worry, we have a dedicated playlist with 2FAS Pass tutorials. You are always welcome to check it out, link in the description. Alright, everything went well, and as you can see, all of the credentials were successfully imported. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have any questions, make sure to join our Discord server, link in the description. You can ask them there or in the comment section under this video. Subscribe and see you in the next tutorials.